The partnership with Miami-Dade College means everything to Archangel. They are an embodiment of what Miami is all about, just like us. You know, we're not just a company, we're part of the community. You know, our tagline is technology with soul.
We are so grateful for Archangel's support. By investing in our students, we're providing opportunities for paid internships and for students to be able to have real-life work experiences. This ensures that we have the talent for today and tomorrow, and that we are making a difference together in our community.
I can really say that this partnership is a perfect example of success. Miami-Dade College, Samsung, and Archangel Education Technology all together working for the community of Miami.
At Samsung, we know the classroom is the space for innovation. The excitement and enthusiasm only boosts when the environment is intentionally designed to amplify the amazing work being done by both the instructor or teacher and the students, and in collaboration together.
I've seen classrooms absolutely transform, and not just because we installed panels, but because we stayed, we trained, and we listened. That's what technology with soul looks like for us.
I'm a student here at Miami-Dade College, and thanks to support from Archangel, I'm able to graduate with a computer engineering degree so we can make strides towards the future.
We truly go above and beyond to be of service and to help the students to create projects and initiatives that directly help and impact.
It's important for me to go beyond the classroom to showcase my experiences that I've learned so far, and also what Archangel has taught me and what they will teach me.
Friendship.
Gratitude.
Synergy.
Fearless. Opportunity.
Soul. Technology with soul.
Archangel Technology with Soul.